Hey, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are or what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I had a taste for some chocolate. So right now, what I'm gonna do is add some dates. And these dates do have the seeds in them, but all I do is squeeze it and pull the seed right on out. So it's pretty easy if you have dates with seeds in them. They're very soft. And you just, again, squeeze. Take the seed out. And put the date inside your container. If you want them extra sweet, you can add maybe 3 or 4 dates. They don't have to be extra sweet for me. Because my next ingredient is banana. Okay, so the banana, I didn't freeze it this time, but sometimes I do freeze them just to give it an extra smoothie effect. So it'll be more creamy than icy, if that makes sense. So, in an effort to recycle, there's a scooper that comes in here, and this is basically finished, but I'm going to take the scooper out. See? It's pretty much the same, similar powder. And I'm going to put a little of these Hershey's Cocoa because, like I said, I had a taste for some chocolate. And the only ingredient in this is chocolate. Cocoa. So I'm not even going to fill it up all the way. But I am going to put a scoop in there. And I'll wash that for next time. And then what I'm also going to add is some peaches. I love peaches. Peaches are my favorite. Peaches and watermelon. Although I haven't had watermelon in a few years, I keep seeing I'm gonna go to the guy down the road and get some peaches some watermelon with seeds in them. Although Kroger had some, but they were so huge and a little bit too heavy for me to carry right now. I'm still on the fence. I'm still working on my healing, so I didn't get one, but that will be coming up. Because I'm determined I have to get me some watermelon this year. Okay, so that's our peach. And I don't know if you can see. If you can see my nuts in the background. So we're going to add some mixed nuts to this as well. Okay, I'm just going to do like a handful. Which a handful is probably like 1/4 of a cup. And it's cashews, almonds, Brazil nuts, and pecans. No, it is not alkaline. I went to Family Dollar and that was basically the best option they had. Now I'm going to add some juice. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit of apple juice to the mix. My first instinct was to make my own apple juice, but I didn't. Don't judge me. It'll be okay. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done blending. Alright, this is what our smoothie looks like. So this is a way to get some chocolate flavor. And especially if you're on a certain budget and you don't want to maybe buy a more expensive chocolate. Or if you're near a dollar store and that's what they have on hand. But this is a healthier way to have some chocolate without actually eating a candy bar, and still incorporating your fruit. So I just wanted to show y'all that. And here is the consistency. Like I said, it's more creamy. Like a milkshake almost. So you can even call it a milkshake instead of a smoothie. But bon appetit. Love y'all. Later.